Today I wanted to share the recipe of my favorite waffle, coconut matcha waffle. So first, beat 2 eggs with coconut oil and a pinch of salt. Add oats, oat flour, almond flour, mix it and add flaxseed meal or grinded flax seeds, pepitas, hemp seeds, and matcha. 1 tablespoon of matcha, then coconut flour and coconut milk. Mix it all well. Add coconut flakes and baking powder. That's it. Place it in the waffle maker and it's ready in 4 minutes or so. It's delicious and really healthy. So add toppings as you like. I love avocado and walnuts.